Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse. In the kitchen today, I have the REVO830 cold press juicer. REVO's perfect for juicing celery, and I've got some nice long stalks of celery we're going to juice today. Look what I've put together here. We've got some apple, we've got some walnut, we've got some celery and some parsley. It's a bit of a take on a Waldorf salad with the nut and the fruit. You could put some grapes in there, you could put some lettuce leaves in there, but we want to keep it nice and simple with the apple, the walnut and the celery. Now, walnuts in a juicer, of course, we're not going to get any juice out of that, but we are going to get the nutty flavour. So we want to put the walnuts in first, then we want to put the apple in after that. So the apple and the walnut will pick up that lovely flavour. We'll then chuck the parsley in, and then we'll do the celery stalks last. Let's fire up the juicer and start making this beautiful juice. Okay, handful of walnuts. I've got about 2 tablespoons here. So we can just pop them in. With the lid closed, we've got the opening at the top. We'll just drop them in. Then unlock the top. Then we want to pop the whole apple in on top of that. Straight away, so we get the apple and the walnut flavour. 2 apples in there. We then want a handful of parsley. I've got some fresh parsley here from the garden. So we can pop the parsley in a handful at a time, like so. Up the top, straight into the juicer. That REVO has a little plunger, so for things that are light like parsley, to push it down onto the press, we just use the pusher. Then we've got our celery stalks, which is really the advantage of using the REVO830 juicer over our other models, because you can put the whole stalk in the top and the automatic cutting system will just chop that celery up and press the juice out for us. One by one, popping them in. Now, if you come and have a look on the side here, have a look at the pulp that's coming out. It is so dry. The REVO squeezes like right down to just the stringy fibre of the celery. It's amazing how dry this REVO makes the celery. What that means for us is that we're extracting the maximum amount of juice from each of the stalk. If you're nice and thin, you can get a couple in there at a time, it's all good. But remember, let the juices do the work, okay? I don't want to see you shoving and jamming the juicer up, trying to get the juice made faster. Just let the juices do the cutting. Now, depending on the time of year and what sort of celery you can get up, celery can get quite thin, it can be dry, you don't extract as much juice. At the moment we've got some nice big long stalks, we get a lot of juice. So have a look how much juice we're getting out of this. Really can't wait to try this one. Plunger can be used in the top, either side, but the machine will pull those stalks down in by itself. Alright, look how much juice we've got there, guys, heaps. Alright, I just want to give it a little bit of a stir. And have a look at the colour. Beautiful green. You can smell the freshness coming from the parsley. Cheers. yeah, there's lots of flavour combinations going. There's the sweetness, there's the herby flavour from the parsley, there's the nutty flavour coming from the walnuts. I think you're really going to like this juice. It's a little bit creamy as well from the nuts. I think you could put this one in the fridge as well, but I don't think it's going to last. Happy juicing!